The Compliance Team's Exemplary Provider Accreditation Program is different in that it is operations-driven, operations-based. So it basically deals with the provider's everyday practices, whether they're a community pharmacy, they specialize in DME, they have infusion, they have specialty. We zero in on operations. Now, some of our competitors feel that operations has nothing to do with accreditation. It has everything to do with accreditation. How you hire, how you orient, how you train, what type of system you have in place and policies and procedures for how you're dispensing, how you're handling the pharmaceutical management, equipment management, all of those things. And most importantly, how you deal with the patient, how you serve the patient, counsel the patient, and follow up with the patient. It's based on being patient-focused, but operations-driven to your everyday operations and practices. Now, one of the things that the compliance team does is offer a different business model than most accreditation organizations. What I mean by that is when you sign up with the compliance team's program, you're assigned an advisor. That advisor actually walks you through the process and the standards over a series of orientation webinars. What I mean by that is, okay, you have somebody spearheading it in your pharmacy, and our advisor is going to set up calls to discuss different parts of the standards. So for instance, today is HR. So we're going to talk about what needs to be in the files, what you need to do to meet the requirements. And this happens each step of the way. You get self-assessment checklists, you get templates for policies and procedures that if you don't already have the policies that are required by the standards, at least we give you the template to then adjust to your day-to-day practices. Now, once you're ready, you've completed all your preparation work, a different accreditation advisor comes on site to verify and validate that you meet the quality standards, the compliance team quality standards. You need to score 90% or better in order to do that. Once we're on site, when we're on site, we're gonna do a tour, we're gonna look at policies, we're gonna interview patients, we're gonna interview staff. At the end of the day, we're gonna tell you what areas are in need of improvement and how well you did with complying with the standards. But you know what? That's not the end. We look at it as the beginning, because after you become accredited, we're the only accreditation organization that then allows you to submit your patient satisfaction data into our patient portal so that it can be aggregated. You can use it as reports to payers, to referral sources, to your company, to your employees, to your customers. And not only are you going to see your results, but you're going to see it benchmarked against the national database that has 4,000 providers' data points in there. And we've been collecting this data since 1999. This is value-added services. But at the end of the day, you become an exemplary provider, not just accredited.